Hello, everybody, and welcome to Dad Got This. Today, we're making Instant Pot chili. Super simple, super fast, great weeknight, throw it on the table meal. But we're doing something a little bit different with our Instant Pot chili, and it involves a link to Disney.
Who got this? Dad got this.
Once our chili's done, we are going to assemble what is called a Frito pie. Depending on where you live, you may have never heard of Frito pie. Frito pie is basically Fritos, chili, and cheese. Apparently, the provenance of this recipe is in dispute. There are multiple people who claim to have invented Frito pie. The first person thought to have invented this recipe back in 1949 is either Mary Doolin, who is the mother of Frito-Lay founder Charles Doolin, or Mary Livingston, her executive secretary. They don't know which. Although there is a second claim to the Frito-Lay pie recipe, and that is from a lunch counter worker in Woolworths in Santa Fe, New Mexico back in the 60s. Her name was Teresa Hernandez, and she was the first one apparently who served it inside the bag. Okay, about that link to Disney. The Frito-Lay founders were actually investors in Disneyland. And there was a booth called Casa de Fritos inside Disneyland, which had Frito pie on the original 1950s menu. So who knows who invented this thing, but we're gonna try it. But first, we have to make some chili. And we're gonna use the Instant Pot.
Not much prep involved here, guys. Dice up an onion, put some oil in your Instant Pot, and set it on the sauté setting high. Ground beef, we're just gonna brown it. Little bit of black pepper. Add as much as you like, whether you can take spicy or not. The exact amounts for the ingredients are in the description with an easy to follow recipe. Don't worry about it. We're gonna put about half of the onions, add some cumin, some chili powder, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and mix that all up nice. Beans, whether you want beans in your chili or not, that's up to you. Dad kind of likes beans in his chili, but not too much, so I only put in one can. Diced tomatoes. I like the basic garlic and oregano one. It's got a little extra flavor in it. 2 cans of that. Mix everything up. Beef broth. We're gonna throw in some beef broth. Nice. Tomato paste. I use this because it thickens up the chili a little bit and gives it a nice, tomato-y taste. Stir everything in. And we are gonna cook this on high for 25 minutes. While our chili is cooking, we're gonna prep our Frito pie. We got a habanero pepper. I like a little bit of heat, so Dad threw a habanero in there. We got a jalapeno. Not a lot of heat in these, so you can go ahead and use those, no problem. Green onion. You can actually cut the tips of these off and regrow your own green onions. Kind of fun little thing to do. We're just gonna dice these up a little bit. They're mainly for garnish, but they add a nice little flavor to it. And then we're gonna cut up our jalapeno. Dad likes his spicy, and I'm the only one eating this, so I'm leaving the seeds and everything. The seeds are what gives it the heat, so if you don't like the heat, just scoop those out, and the jalapeno will be quite mild. You can see the difference between the habanero and the jalapeno. They look a little different. Habanero's quite a bit spicier than a jalapeno. And our prep is done.
That's it. Chili's done. It is ready to eat as is. It's nice and chunky, it's beefy, it's got a couple beans in it. If you want, you can add more beans. It's all up to you. These are always more like guides than have to do exact recipes. So let's give a chili a little taste for seasoning. Wow, that's hot. Not spicy hot, just hot. I'd say that's about perfect. If you want, you can add more spices. You get a cayenne pepper to it, whatever you want. I have some people in my house who do not appreciate spice. So this stays mild, and then Dad spices his at the end. Let's make Dad a little bowl of chili, the way I would normally enjoy my chili. And then we gotta make Frito pie and give it a try. That rhymes. The way Dad will normally have a nice bowl of chili, I like a little bit of chili. I will put a little bit of shredded cheese on there, sharp cheddar, And we've got diced jalapenos, we got green onions, we got habanero peppers, and then I throw on a dollop, just a dollop will do, of sour cream. Let's get a little bit of everything. Ooh, habanero. Love habanero. Here we go, a little bit of everything. Habanero is not that spicy. That one's pretty mild, which is nice. Perfect. It's a hearty, easy meal. It's tomatoey, it's beany. It's good. It's good chili. It's gonna be even better when we make some Frito pie. But I can't make Frito pie right now. I have to wait for someone to get home because she found out we were making Frito pie and has to try Frito pie. So Frito pie is dinner tonight. So you guys are gonna get a special taste testing from the kiddo.
Hi, I'm Ellie, and I'm a professional taste tester, and I'm here with my dad.
And we are here to try Frito pie. Very first time ever trying this concoction. I have the real deal with all the peppers and stuff on it. Kiddo just has Frito, cheese, chili. All right, you wanna go first? Okay, get a little bit of each. Is it good? It seems like it's so weird. Let me try it. It's not? You're not a fan?
I like it.
Oh, you like it?
Not weird.
Oh, okay. I was like, wait, you're not a fan? You don't like it? Mmm. The crunch of the Frito with the cheese and the sauce goes good together. You like just eating the Fritos, right? I mean, I can't blame her. Fritos are awesome.
Really good chili. It's really good, right?
It is.
It's like our full dinner.
This is like a full dinner.
Like, you don't have to
So if you're looking for something to do with your chili after you make your Instant Pot chili, why not make the dish that used to be served in Disneyland in the Casa de Fritos? If you want to know more about that, go check out my other channel, Dad Got Parks. There's a Disney dad fact all about the Casa de Fritos and the Frito Kid. Yeah, there's a mascot, the Frito Kid. Isn't that crazy? He was like a cowboy.
Yeah.
That's gonna do it for Dad Got This today. I hope you enjoyed the video.
Dad
Kiddo?
doesn't do outros. So
Wait.
That's it.
What else do they need to do though?
Like and subscribe. And also, like I said earlier, Dad doesn't do outros, so that's it. Bye.
Bye.